The stage is all set at ITC Grand Chola, Chennai for Blaser Productivity Trophy.
Hello and welcome to the Productivity Trophy 2022 here in Chennai. We are delighted to highlight 6 projects and hand out an award for Productivity Trophy winners this year. And we invite you all in the industry in India, challenge us, test us, and we are happy to deliver you the best solution with a proper liquid tool for your manufacturing environment.
So today we are here to celebrate success of our customers. It's a very special evening. And through our liquid tool, which is our value proposition, we actually are helping customers to win, to be better in their own area of working. So looking forward to meet a lot of customers today evening and have lots of celebrations and insights towards the future of manufacturing. Thank you very much.